Today we're headed to some swap meet up in New Jersey. And yeah. Anyways, that was kind of cool. We stopped for gas right now, and some of the guys that watch the channel actually recognized us. That was kind of cool. Now we're headed to New Jersey for this swap meet. I have no idea what this fairgrounds are called. Damien over here is like making signals to start filming. He feels that I don't film enough. Tell me, why are you out of whack?
Because I'm with you, Emilio. Because I'm with you.
So anyways, we're early as hell here. Most people are not set up yet. The car corral is set up, but then
It starts in another hour and 15 minutes.
Right. I don't know, my logic behind it of why not going to the car corral was that, are we going to walk it out here with a car? I don't think so.
Possibly.
Possibly.
I need another project.
You're not going to find that van.
I need another project. I already got the van.
Oh, yeah, you did?
Van I'll be picking up next week.
And where?
North Carolina.
Oh, God.
Can't wait for that drive.
Yeah, that's going to be fun.
Yeah.
All by yourself?
No, Dean's going.
Dean's going?
Yeah, you might as well go
Ooh.
too. We'll make it a road trip.
This is going to be a rough one. So anyways, walking around, I managed to find a Grand National, and then I found this, a Dill truck. And for 10 bucks, can't complain.
What?
I don't know. Dude, it's, I don't know.
It's another thing to throw your money into.
Whatever.
Emilio Escobar.
Oh, God. Still walking around.
I got a good find.
Oh, yeah. That's a Aeromotive.
$170 breather for
30 bucks.
30 bucks?
Yeah, not bad.
That was a good one.
I think the other good one was that Grand National. I just can't pull it out of my pocket. One hand filming, one hand holding truck.
Here, I'll hold the truck and you can show off your other goodie.
Bam. Here's the other little find. This one was even a steal because $5 bucks. Dude, they got some cool signs over there.
Padding they got.
So anyways, besides our little coupe car finds, nothing else has grabbed our eyes or anything.
Plastic rat? How about a plastic rag?
There's a plastic rat. Oh jeez. No, too big.
Plus they're tapered at the top, right?
No, the rear ones are straight. Yeah, they're not like that.
Not like this?
No, they're literally straight coils all the way up.
Yeah, those were, weren't they?
No, those are too big. Those are stock springs. Anyway, so you guys know what we're looking for. We're looking for, if we get lucky enough to find coilover springs for my car, I need a set of 200-pound springs.
Are you going to edit that down?
Of course. I'll make sure that I add that part where you asked me that.
Okay.
And I'll cut the silence in between.
Okay.
Which is usually what I do.
And then add a commercial right here.
Damien's new turbo right there.
That's for my dual turbo setup. I'm gonna get two of the matching ones.
Make them twins.
Yeah.
85 most likely. Yeah, 85. All original, well maintained. Huh, yeah.
How much? 11 grand?
What do you read 11 grand?
Over there.
Huh?
Over here.
Oh.
It was 13, dropped it to 12, down to 11.
Oh, excuse us.
I didn't want you did.
Well, thanks, Deuce.
Under the bus.
Darn right.
He's got his CDLs and everything.
$8,500. It's already set up for drag racing.
Want to say that again?
$8,500. It's already set up for drag racing.
Want to put a little more throat in it?
Nope. Good.
Make sure that you sound southern.
all it needs is a 2JZ swap.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't know, dude. The nostalgia stuff is actually kind of cool. I mean, look at the front end.
That's it.
The buggy with the flake on it.
How much? 19. I can buy that cash right now. We can drive it home.
Dad, you can drive it home.
Cash. Give you $1,500.
In this weather?
What was that? 35?
Where?
Ford back here. The 5-window coupe though. All I know is when she showed up that first time, shoo!
You would know about that, Damien. Just for a little background, he's like, some of these are, I got tired of my project and I'm trying to offload it to somebody else.
What have I sold that's an old project?
I don't know, the trike?
Well, I got stolen. Thanks for bringing that up.
Somebody took that kind of worms out of your hands for once. I would consider that lucky, actually. See?
You know, it'd be lucky finding it here for sale.
Yeah. You can actually see the Monte Carlo lean on Damien's POS. Let's not get run over.
There's no weight in the front end. I've already de-weighted it.
Oh God.
If I only put the grill in it, it would sit right.
Weak sauce. Precisely turning the camera on. But anyways, we're running around here trying to set up Damien's booth. This thing is not wanting to cooperate. What do you have to say, Damien?
I think this guy's not wanting to cooperate.
Anyway, we're here getting past in this beautiful New Jersey crap roads. Yes, getting past by a Prius. So, since we're going slow and we have some room, get on that lane and let's do a quick pull. Hold on, let me log. And when you're ready. Alright, there you go. Does not work, or whatever the quick boost is doing is messing everything up. So right now we have it set at simply duty cycle per TPS and on open loop. And it works. Want to give it a quick pull? Oh yeah, dude, that nut.
Give me the 24.
Ah, Jesus Christ.
24!
Famous last words. 1 more pound of boost.
Well, after last night, running to fucking 27 pounds of boost.
You really want that on video? Oh,
just like my brakes. Just like my boost.
What do I do with the brakes? What do I have to do with the brakes?
That teeny tiny plumbing line to my fucking vacuum.
Oh, God. Anyways, 1 more pound of boost it is. And we're going to say 75. That might be 2 pounds, but... And hit it. Yeah, that was 2 pounds. 25 is fine.
Game on!
Well, there you go.
Now we just need to fix the speedometer so it doesn't look like I'm doing 125 miles an hour.
Actual speed. Oh, New Jersey.
As she's holding up a power line with a rake so the Bud Light truck can get into her driveway.
Ah, Jesus Christ. Winning. Winning.
Good God.
Oh, jeez. So So anyways, here in good old New Jersey, where you can't fill up your own gas tank. How anti-American this is. Get your gas door slammed.
Yeah, just drop it down, you know, it's all good.
Oh look, a Honda, a fast Honda.
Where was that?